Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create an account on Suno. Yes, the reason why you need to create an account on Suno is because all your song, your sound will be on your dashboard. Anytime you want to use them, maybe you don't want to download them to your device, they will be on your dashboard. So let's go into this website and create an account. I'm going to open my browser. I want to show you a simple way to create an account on this platform. Press enter. Now, this is the platform where you can create your own sound, your own songs. So I'm going to be showing you how you can create an account on Suno. Now click on sign up. I'll click on sign up. Now we are going to click on Gmail. Going to click on Gmail. Wait for it to load. You will be asked to verify if you are human or not. So click here and wait for it to load. To take you to your mail account stored in your device. So you just pick anyone. I'll just choose anyone from here. Let me use this. Click on continue. That is it. Now you have created an account for yourself on Suno. If you click this area, you discover that you can actually view your profile, edit profile, subscribe, or manage your account, sign out. That is the easiest way to create an account on Suno. All your songs, when you create an account on Suno, all your songs will be on your dashboard. If you go to library, you see all your created sound and music there. Thank you for watching and goodbye.